In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed Codepen into Notion. We'll walk through the process from start to finish, and by the end, you'll be able to display your live Codepen projects directly inside your Notion pages. This is really helpful if you're building a portfolio, documenting your learning, or just organizing your coding experiments in one place. First, make sure you're signed into your Codepen account in your web browser. Once you're logged in, open the specific pen that you want to embed. This can be any project you've created or even a pen you've forked from someone else. Take a moment to confirm that everything in your pen looks and works the way you expect, because whatever you see here is what will appear in Notion. Now, you need the link to this pen. At the top of your browser, in the address bar, you'll see the full URL for the pen. Click once to highlight it, then copy it. You can do this with a right click and selecting copy, or by using your standard keyboard shortcut. This URL is what Notion will use to pull in the live preview. Next, head over to Notion. Open the workspace and the specific page where you want to embed your Codepen project. This could be an existing page, like a portfolio, a notes page, or a project document. Or you can create a brand new page if you want a dedicated space for your work. Once you're on the page, click into the body of the page where you want the pen to appear. Start typing a /, then the word embed. Notion will show you an option labeled Embed. Select that option. This tells Notion that you're about to insert embedded content from an external link. A small window will pop up asking for a URL. Paste the Codepen link you copied earlier into this field. Again, you can right-click and choose Paste, or use your usual paste shortcut. After you've pasted the link, confirm by clicking the Embed button. Notion will now generate a live interactive preview of your Codepen project inside the page. You can usually drag the corners to resize the embed area so it fits nicely with the rest of your content. From here, you can scroll, interact with the result, and keep all your notes, documentation, or tasks around it. And that's all there is to it.